Here are 5 of my best tips to help you lose fat, get stronger, and repair your relationship with food. This is part 3 in my series where I give you my 30 best tips. Like this video and give me a follow so you don't miss the other ones. Number 1, whenever you have to use a parking lot, park all the way in the back. This might seem trivial, but this is going to make you get extra steps in, and those steps are going to add up very quickly. Number 2, start a self-affirmation journal and use it every single day. You can do it first thing in the morning or late at night, it doesn't really matter. We've got to start talking to ourselves in a more positive manner. Number 3, if you're hungry for a second serving of food, wait 15 minutes. If you're still hungry after 15 minutes, go ahead and get another serving, but just cut it in half. Chances are, you probably won't even want it anymore. Number 4, do 10 minutes of reading every single day. I would recommend nonfiction, but as long as you're reading, that's what matters. Number 5, and this one is super important. Unfollow anyone on social media that makes you feel bad about your body or your food choices, because fuck them. They no longer have that power over you. You're taking the fucking power back. Now, as a reminder, you don't need to do all of these at once, okay? Pick 1 or 2, do them consistently, and you're gonna be crushing it in no time.